Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook account step by step. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, open your Facebook application on your mobile phone and next, select Create New Account at the bottom of the screen. Create new account, then confirm, get started. What is your name? For example, mobile and last name, Galaxy. Next, oops, everyone to use the name they use in everyday life, what their friends call them. Okay, let's rename it, name and surname. Next, that's okay. What is your birthday? Choose the date, choose the year, set. Next, what is your gender? Male. Next, allow Facebook to access information about your contacts. Deny. You can enter the mobile number or you can sign up with email. Tap sign up with email and enter your email. After that, tap next, create a password. You must use at least 6 letters or numbers and you can't use your name, email or mobile number. Okay, then tap next. Save your login info. They will save the login info for our account, so we won't need to enter it next time we log in. Okay, it's convenient, of course. Save. Agree to Facebook's terms and policies. I agree. Wait, please. And they want to find my previous Facebook account. And if you want to find it, then tap yes, find one. Yes, find my account to find your previous account. And if you want to create new account, then now create new account. Tap on it and you need to enter your confirmation code, where to get it. If you add your mobile number, phone number, then this code will be in messages from Facebook. And if you add your email address, then go to your email application and find the code there. I received the code from Facebook, remember it, and enter here 85818. Tap next. Incorrect code. Let's check. It is strange because I enter the correct code. Let's make it another way. Let's tap on a confirm your account button. Confirm your account. And now we are in our new Facebook account. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.